2,500 rupees salary, no place to stay. Porinju Weliath, a village boy, minted 215 crores from the stock market. Hello, friends. Can you believe that a poor boy from a village who had only 2,500 rupees in his pocket and no place to stay can become the owner of crores? Have you ever thought that a man with a modest job, whose life is full of struggles, can build an empire of 215 crore rupees through the stock market? In listening, this story does not sound less than a movie, but it is reality. This is the story of Porinju Weliath, who, with his intelligence and passion for the stock market, has done such a great job, which is every investor's dream. There was a time when Porinju had no home, no money, and no support system, but his strong will and perseverance changed his fortune. Today, Porinju Weliath's net worth is over 215 crore rupees. The story of Indian stock market is considered incomplete without his name. But it is important for every investor to know the story of hard work and struggle behind this success. Today, we will discuss this topic in depth. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will be the first to get our new video updates. So let's go through this entire journey and understand how Porinju Weliath built an empire from 2,500 rupees to 215 crore rupees. Porinju Weliath was born in 1962 in a small village in Thrissur district of Kerala. His family was a typical peasant family, where farming was the main means of livelihood. But the income from farming was not so much that the family's expenses could be properly managed. Porinju's childhood was full of struggles. When he was young, he saw his family struggling financially. The family had to think about food and drink. Many times the situation was so bad that the family had to survive by borrowing. These circumstances raised a question in Porinju's mind. Can I change my destiny? At the age of 16, Porinju decided that he would take a new turn in his life. He decided to leave his village and left for Mumbai with clothes in a small bag. They didn't have much money and no support system. They had only one thing: self-confidence and a passion to show off something. After reaching Mumbai, he first started looking for a job. But it was not easy to get a job without experience and without any acquaintances. After stumbling in many places, he got a job as an accountant, where he got a monthly salary of 1,000 rupees. It was very difficult to live in a big city like Mumbai on such a low salary. But Porinju Weliath never gave up. After some time, he got a job as a phone operator, where his salary increased to 2,500 rupees a month. However, even this money was not enough to live in an expensive city like Mumbai. He said in the interview that at that time he had no fixed place to stay and no enough money to eat. But his luck took a turn when he got a job as a floor trader at Kotak Securities in 1990. This was the biggest turning point in his life. Porinju Weliath started learning the nuances of the stock market at Kotak Securities. While working as a floor trader, he understood the market movements, analyzed the company's performance, and gradually strengthened his understanding of the stock market. During this time, he also worked as a research analyst and fund manager. He realized that the game of investment in the stock market is not just a matter of luck, but it requires the right strategy, patience, and long-term vision. Porinju Weliath had understood the stock market strategy so much that now he decided to create his own portfolio. In 2002, he started a fund management company called Equity Intelligence. The purpose of this company was to manage the portfolio not only for itself but also for other investors. He initially bought shares of small companies. Due to his analysis and understanding, the companies he used to invest in started growing rapidly. Gradually, his company started getting big name. His strategy was so accurate that people started calling him the small cap king. He invested in companies like Sundaram Brake Lining, Aurum PropTech, and Ansal Buildwell. The shares of these companies gave tremendous returns. Porinju Weliath has transformed many small companies into major players in the market. He had told in an interview that his strategy was based on long-term investment. According to a report, Porinju Weliath's portfolio stood at 5.87 crore rupees in December 2015. But after that, his portfolio grew tremendously. By September 2021, his portfolio has reached 213 crore rupees. However, in April 2023, the value of his portfolio had fallen to 120 crore rupees. But by December 2024, his net worth again increased to over 215 crore rupees. This means that they remain patient even in falling markets and turn market weakness into opportunities. Behind this success of Porinju Weliath is his strategy and patience. He never resorted to short-term trading. He always relied on fundamental analysis. His strategy was to invest in small companies, understand their business model, and hold for the long term. Porinju Weliath adopted many new things from his experience. He adopted a sector rotation strategy in which, after investing in one sector, when that sector started to grow, then he used to sell it and invest in another sector. He always kept in mind the industry trends and economic policy. Today, Porinju Weliath is not just a successful investor, but an inspiration for new investors. He proved that if you have the right strategy, patience, and fundamental understanding, you can earn crores from the stock market. His story teaches that despite market volatility, well-timed decisions can change fortunes. So the question is, are you ready to invest with patience and strategy like Porinju Weliath? If yes, then understand the movements of the market, trust in long-term investment, and write a new example of success. This story of Porinju Weliath is a lesson for every investor. Be patient, do research, and take the right decision at the right time. If you like our content and want to make our efforts even stronger, you can support us through the QR code given in the video or the UPI ID given in the description. Your every small contribution is valuable to us and will inspire us to make even better and informative videos. Your support is our strength. Also, if this video taught you something new or you felt that this information should reach others as well, then do not forget to like and share the video. If you have any questions or suggestions in mind, then do let us know in the comments. We look forward to answering your every question and listening to suggestions. And yes, if you want to stay updated with our every new video in the future, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get every new information first. GRT Business always strives to give you accurate and reliable information. Our news is obtained from various news agencies, public opinion, and public sources. We try our best to verify every report, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our sole aim is to provide you with accurate and reliable information.